Come up to Somersham Lakes to do some landscape photography of the lake, and there's loads of wildlife around here as well, as you can hear. Ducks and all kinds of waterfowl. So let's have a wander. Here's a nice little spot. Good view of the lake. I'm looking for something interesting to photograph. There's a lot of movement on the water, so we're not getting great reflections off of the trees. So they always say you should never do landscape and wildlife, but who said that? What's a stupid idea? Do what you bloody like. It's your camera, it's what you point it at, isn't it? That matters. What I'm really after is a woodpecker. I came here a few months ago and I saw the hole in the tree. I actually posted about it, but I've never heard it. But I know where the hole is in the tree, so I'm going to go back and see if I can find that woodpecker. That's really what I came up here for. The lake's nice to have a look, just sit and watch for a while as well. So now you can see I've moved. I'm underneath some trees now, and I've got a nice view of the lake. And obviously the light's changing all the time, so I'm having to adjust the ISO and the whatnot and all the rest, all those other doodahs to keep me lit properly. But it's a nice day. It's becoming a little bit overcast now. It was very sunny a minute ago. That's England. There's the shot. This is one of the pathways around the lake. It goes off the lake to Greenwich Meridian apparently. That's a nice shot. I like the way the branches are all overhanging. I can hear plenty of pigeons, but I can't hear that cuckoo. This looks familiar. These trees here, that's what I just took a photograph of from back there. But look. That's a cuckoo hole. And there's another one further up. But no sign of any cuckoo. I can't hear it. Cuckoo? What am I talking about? Woodpecker. God damn. My brain, seriously. Yeah, so that's a woodpecker hole. And there's another one up the top there, but no woodpecker. So we're out of luck. Never mind. Still a nice walk. I just got a dive bombed by a wood pigeon. Melinda would love this place. There's loads of birds, but they're so fast and I'm so slow. So I've got to work on my speed. But yeah, I'm getting the hang of this camera now. It's only been a year, but I'm getting my head around it. It was a nice little walk around the lake, got a nice couple of pictures. But yeah, I enjoyed that. Must be great to be a duck, hey? Just fly off, jump into the water whenever you feel like it. So that was my little walk around the lake. I like to come up here occasionally. It's nice and peaceful when the ducks ain't fighting. But yeah, it's cool. Hope you enjoyed it too. See you next time.